Welcoming a newborn into your life is a joyous occasion, but it can also come with overwhelming financial concerns. However, caring for your baby doesn't have to break the bank. In this video, we'll walk you through an affordable newborn routine, ensuring you give your little one the best care without overspending. From feeding and diapering to hygiene and toys, we'll cover everything you need to know. Nutrition is the first step to a healthy, happy baby. Breastfeeding is the most natural and affordable option, providing your baby with all the nutrients they need for free. It eliminates the cost of formula, bottles, sterilizers, and other feeding accessories. If breastfeeding is not possible, don't worry. There are affordable formula options available. Check with your pediatrician to select the best formula that fits your baby's needs and your budget. You can save further by using reusable glass or BPA-free plastic bottles. Diapers can be one of the most significant ongoing costs for new parents. Luckily, there are budget-friendly options. Cloth diapers, while requiring a larger initial investment, can save you hundreds of dollars over time. These reusable diapers come in various sizes and can be washed easily at home. If cloth diapers aren't for you, look into buying disposable diapers in bulk, which can save you a lot over the months. To minimize diaper waste and cut down on expenses, consider setting up a diaper changing routine. Change your baby frequently, but not excessively, using wipes sparingly or opting for reusable soft washcloths. Newborns grow fast, and often they outgrow clothes before they're even worn. To save on clothing, buy only the essentials. Focus on multi-purpose outfits like onesies that can be used for both day and night. Gently used clothes from friends or family, or purchasing secondhand baby clothes from thrift stores can help you avoid spending unnecessarily. When shopping for newborn clothing, look for natural fabrics like cotton, which are gentle on the skin and cost-effective. Avoid splurging on fancy outfits your baby will only wear once or twice. Babies have delicate skin, and while there are many products marketed for newborns, a minimalist approach works best. Choose simple, fragrance-free products that are gentle on the skin. A mild baby soap and moisturizer are more than enough. You don't need expensive bath products, especially when basic, gentle options can be just as effective and much more affordable. For bath time, you can use a simple plastic baby tub and soft washcloths. No need for expensive accessories. Bathe your baby just 2 to 3 times a week to avoid stripping their skin of natural oils, and this will also help reduce your need for skincare products. Hygiene is a critical part of your newborn's health, but it doesn't have to come at a high cost. Keeping your baby clean and comfortable is simple with a few key affordable practices. Start with basic hand hygiene. Make sure your hands are clean before handling your baby, as newborns have developing immune systems. When it comes to keeping your baby's hygiene in check, focus on areas like the umbilical cord, diaper area, and skin folds. Clean the diaper area thoroughly during each change, using gentle wipes or soft washcloths. To prevent diaper rash, allow your baby's skin to air dry or use an affordable zinc-based diaper cream. Bath time, as mentioned earlier, is best kept simple with gentle products. Also, remember to trim your baby's nails regularly with a baby nail clipper to avoid accidental scratches. Newborns are naturally curious and need stimulation for their brain development, but this doesn't mean you need to buy expensive toys. In fact, newborns are often more interested in simple objects. You can easily create DIY toys from household items, like rattles made from empty containers filled with beans or rice, or soft, colorful cloths for sensory play. The key is to focus on interaction with your baby. Talk to them, sing, and engage them in tummy time. These activities are free and incredibly beneficial for their development. Parenting doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. With some smart, affordable choices, you can provide your newborn with everything they need for a healthy, happy start in life. From affordable feeding solutions to simple hygiene routines, there are countless ways to give your baby the best care without overspending. Remember, the most important thing is the love and attention you give to your newborn, and that's something money can't buy. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on keeping your family healthy and happy on a budget.